perfect union with the Father, love, joy, peace, health, wealth, prosperity, everything that you think heaven is already in you, and it's already your reality now. The only thing that you need to do is believe. That's why Jesus said, like, listen, they even asked him, what do we need to do the works that God requires? Like, what is the mechanism? And he said, believe. Now, believe sometimes can be difficult, because we could say, yes, we believe this now. Why isn't it happening? But that's also why it says, you be transformed by renewing of your mind. Unfortunately, your mind and your heart has been programmed by a word and a world, and a word that is contrary to the word of your Father and contrary to Christ. And it has been done so deliberately. That was why the veil was pulled off. That's why the enemy wanted you to eat from the knowledge of good and evil, so that he can use knowledge to veil you and keep you from this truth. Now, Jesus came to remove that veil. So now, all that we need to do to inherit this, or to realize that we already have it, inheritance is actually just receiving the inheritance, is just believe. It is believe, believe, believe. Will you believe what Jesus said? Will you believe when he said the kingdom is within you? Will you believe that Christ is in you? Will you believe that heaven is here now and it's in you? Will you believe that you're already in perfect union with your Father?